You hand in the essay. It's good. Clean sentences, the right words, an argument that holds together. Your teacher reads one line, stops, points to a single word. What does this mean? And you don't know, because you didn't write it. The page says you learned something. You didn't. That gap between the grade and what's actually in your head is the whole story of AI in education. There are two loud takes on it. One, AI is the best thing to ever happen to school. Every student finally gets help at their own level. Two, AI is wrecking education. Kids outsource the thinking and learn nothing. Both are arguing about the tool. And that's the mistake, because the tool isn't doing one thing or the other. It's doing both at once, depending entirely on who's holding it. AI doesn't change education in one direction. It amplifies whatever the person using it was already trying to do. Put it in a teacher's hands. The hardest part of teaching was never the teaching. It was the hours around it. Lesson plans, worksheets, spreadsheets, evenings and weekends that never reached a single kid. AI compresses all of it. 6 in 10 teachers now use it, and the regular users win back almost 6 weeks a year. Time that goes straight to the thing AI can't do, being in the room with the student in front of them. And where it's used on purpose, the numbers move. One alternative high school, mostly low-income kids, graduation rates stuck under 40% for years, watched its English proficiency and its graduation rate each climb more than 20 points. In 1 year. That's not a tweak. That's a different school. Now hand the same tool to a student with no direction. It produces the appearance of work without the work. A clean, organized essay that took no retrieval, no struggle, no ownership of a single idea. The trap. It looks exactly like learning. The output is polished. The understanding never happened. The student can point to the document. They can't point to what they know. Same tool. Opposite result. One person used AI to think. The other used it instead of thinking. The page looks identical. What's inside their head couldn't be more different. For parents, the test isn't whether the homework got done. It's whether any of it stuck. So the question nearly every school is asking right now, should we allow this, is the wrong one. The tool is already in every backpack. Banning it just rewards the kids who'll use it quietly anyway. The real question is harder. How do you protect the part of school that was always the point? The retrieval, the struggle, the moment an idea finally becomes yours, now that the friction that used to force it is gone. That's not a technology problem. It's a teaching problem. Because the divide was never AI versus no AI. It's using AI to think versus using AI instead of thinking. Same classroom, same tool, two completely different kids walking out the door. So the next time you watch a student, or yourself, reach for AI, the question isn't whether they used it. It's whether any thinking happened on the way. Teacher, parent, or student, I want one concrete thing from you. The moment you saw this, go right, or go badly wrong, a real one. Drop it below. I read every single comment. Next, can teachers actually tell when you've used AI? The honest answer is messier than either side admits, and it quietly changes what getting caught even means. See you there.